towards me.
Okay.
That's what we ended up doing, I think, all of last race.
15. Your start here is go left 40, care left 3 minus over big crest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Go left 40, care left 3 minus over big crest, 30. Then left 4 short, into right 3 over rut, and 40 to rut, so right 3, slow it down. Right 3, now 40 to ruts, left 2. It's gonna open and tighten to 4, then opens and tightens to 3, 20. Left, left.
Yep.
Okay, right 2 now. This is a right 2. Then 100 to jump. Then turn right 4 plus onto tarmac, 50. Then right 6, turn right 3 at T. Then right 4 minus short, turn left 2 minus onto track, 100. Just go with it.
Yep.
Left 3 long here, 50. Watch your lines. It's gonna understeer more than our Fiesta. Right 5 long, tightens 3 plus, very long. Left 4 long here. It's gonna open and tighten till 4 plus. You want me to lock the diff?
Yeah, actually. Oh, that's why I fucking not.
Okay, opens, tightens here. Then turn left 570. There we go. Turn left 570, right 2 plus. Left 3 cut here, 120.
Oh no.
Stay left on the track into care chicane, left entry, 450. Drag strip to Tokyo Drift. $350 now. Turn left 1 plus narrow. Take it easy on this turn, left 1 plus narrow. Into right 4 minus short, 20. Then left 3 plus, 120. Then care bump into right 4 late over small crest, care 40, turn right 2 minus at T through gate. $350 here, then left 6, 200. Then care, turn right 3 minus, long and loose. It's gonna be unseen and narrow, no cut. 70. Then turn left 3 minus, loose, opens long, into small crest and finish. Then 20, right 6. Nice job, buddy.
Fuck. That's why I was like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah.
I forgot to put in lock. That's my